What you doing, Scully? You're mostly just staring out the window, sniffing the air. Listening to the sounds. Oh, Scully. My silly girl. Yes, I am boiling a cloth. Jeff's Norwex body cloth is stinky. And so I'm going to give it a deep clean. That means boiling it with some of the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. So he'll have a clean rag, well, it's not a rag, but clean Norwex body cloth when he wakes up for his shower later. Yesterday he said it was kind of gross, so I figured I could fix that for him while he sleeps. And Scully is helping by hunting flies. Scully! There's so many flies. It's like 3 of them above you. Scully, get them! Scully! Ahead. What are you doing, Scully? That's enough of that. No more. Scully. Scully. So I haven't been... Stupid train. I haven't done... Well, I've done a lot today, but not that much. I don't know. I did all my school that I was going to do today. My lip's still a little fat from Scully. Yeah, I did a little kind of meal idea planning. I did got some steps in and watched Gotham. That's about it. Play with Scully. Yeah, still productive. I'm just waiting for Jeff to get up so we can get ready and go grocery shopping. Yay!
Well, good afternoon. Well, morning for me. I think I've been up for about an hour and 15. Now, I'm going to make some coffee, and then we're going grocery shopping at Winco. Should be fun. And we are off. Hannah's gonna eat some peanuts, and hopefully it'll help.
What sucks about our schedules being so off, because I'm ready for dinner now.
Who said I couldn't eat? I could totally eat.
And I'm eating like 4 meals a day.
Yeah? You're pregnant.
I know, but I don't need 4 meals a day.
Figure out more snackies.
I don't need more snacks either.
Well, you're also getting up there in the pregnancy, so you're gonna get hungrier.
I know.
So don't feel bad. Whatever. You're still cute this way too.
I'm calling food things so, and I'm glad it's calling things so. Dogs, we always see the worst part.
Look good to me.
That's all.
Grab some waters.
I just hate smelling all this smells. I think it's probably a new tennis ball.
Oh yeah, she chewed up her tennis ball, huh?
Oh, that's took a while. Giant one.
I so would. So did you have a fun time, despite being slightly grumpy at first?
I guess so. Now would have been better to like go to the movies or something, but
Someday we'll go to the movies again.
you have to get a couple in before Shadow comes.
Yes. Does Guardians of the Galaxy come out before that?
Oh no,
It'd be
like the end of this
prego.
month. Comes out the end of this month.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, duh, they're shooting
Or, like-
Infinity War.
Huh?
I thought they were shooting it still. They're shooting Infinity War, so. That's the one with the Avengers.
Chris Pratt just got his own star.
Finally?
Yeah.
Took long enough.
He got 3 mini Lego minifigs before, so that's more important anyway. Here's the Lego one, the Guardians of the Galaxy, and then Jurassic Park.
Oh, duh. Alright, so ready to be done?
I was ready to be done before we even got here.
I know. It is nice outside.
Huh?
It's beautiful. Bounce, 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 bounce.
My hand. But yeah, we have to not like walk out. Why not?
Norwexing the cans. Well, I guess you want to kill bacteria on them, right?
Remove.
Well, that's almost, it kills it in the cloth.
Yeah, it suffocates
Overnight.
it so it can't breathe.
Hannah has been craving these since the last time we were here and hasn't had it since, and she almost cried the last time because
It was also a really hot day, so everybody bought it all.
they didn't have any. She almost cried.
The machine didn't even work, so I couldn't even get like a different kind.
It's very upsetting for her.
Jesus wept.
I shouldn't be eating this, but it's late. I'm grocery shopping, so we don't want to cook. We were gonna do Taco Bell, but they're not accepting cards right now. They don't carry cash. So Carl's Jr. it is.
Food now.
Playing with Scully.
Making some steaks.
Come on, give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Yeah.
Eat some dishes. Watch a Family
Hey,
Guy.
go get it.
Gonna
Did she get?
go off to
Did you
work
catch
a
it?
little bit. So do I need to come
Oh,
in there? You gonna
go ahead. Excuse me, but what are you doing? Is there a reason you're in the tub? Scully. Scully. Is there a reason? Is there a reason you're in the tub? I don't understand. Okay, weirdo. What's going on? She goes, you guys getting snuggly? Let me get in the middle of this. Lick off all my sanitizer. Thank you. Thank you, Scully. Where are you going? Come back.
So I gotta rip up the ball.
Yep. Alright, well, that's our day today. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Comment how many of you just yawned because she yawned. Like I said, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Chew up the ball.